Hey guys, it's Mud here. Gonna do a quick video on a custom build for keyboard. This one's gonna be the Canon Keys Bakeneko 60%. It's the whitish color, and then I'll be using some Gateron milky yellow switches. And then for keycaps, I'm going to be doing the Echo ASA Profile double shot PBT keycaps. So should be a pretty interesting build. Looking forward to it. So let's get into it. All right, guys. So this is the case. It has these little cannons on them, so that's cool. Alright, so the main thing you've all been waiting for is this aluminum casted keyboard case. Alright, so looks, I mean, the inside is purposefully not very finished, but the outside is really nice. It's got the logo. That's where the feet go. Good angle. And of course the USB-C for the back there. So the white and the black are a powder coat. The gray is what they call a special powder coat, which is more of a kind of a bubblier type coating. It's a little bit shinier also, but I thought this one was a nice look to it, so I went with the white for this build. Let's see what else comes in here. So I got the gummy O-ring. The feet for the case, and then I believe those are the screws for the daughter board. These are the Canon Keys stabilizers. They are clip-in, and they have to be clip-in for the O-ring to work this particular design. And of course we got the, looks like FR4 plate. Canon logo there, Canon cutouts. And then this is the hot swappable PCB. Comes sealed, so that is cool. And what else do we got here? Okay, so, and that is the actual daughter board. So the daughter board is so that when the keyboard flexes, the actual port where the USB-C goes doesn't flex with it. It just stays in one spot, and this wire just moves around. So, all right, now that the unboxing part's over, let's go ahead and start working on it. Alright guys, now it's time for the sound test for the Razer Black Shark V2. Oh, wait a minute. Wrong video. Just for comparison, this is the Black Shark V2, and I did, it comes with the foam inside the case, so, but I did open it up and I lubed the stabilizers, and then I also lubed the sides of the switches without actually taking the switches out, and then also the little metal collar. I also did that, so. So I think it sounds a lot better, but obviously not as good as the Bakeneko custom keyboards. All right, guys. So that was my my quick build of the Bakeneko 60. I'm looking forward to using it. Definitely gonna keep this one for a while. So yeah, give me a thumbs up if you like the video, and subscribe if you're not. Okay. See you guys in the next one.